Welcome, seeker of truth. Join me as we journey through history's mysteries, where ancient wisdom and timeless stories come alive. Prepare to ignite your imagination and uncover the hidden truths of the past.
In a quiet village, there lived a young man named Daniel. He was always searching for the meaning of life. One day, he met a wise traveler. This traveler spoke in riddles and parables, but his words held deep truths. The traveler began, "The kingdom of heaven is within you and all around you, but people do not see it." Daniel was puzzled, but intrigued. He asked, "How can I find this kingdom?" The traveler smiled and said, "Let the one who seeks not stop seeking until he finds. When he finds, he will be troubled. When he is troubled, he will be astonished and will rule over all." Daniel felt a stirring in his heart. The traveler continued, "If those who lead you say, 'See, the kingdom is in the sky,' then the birds will precede you. If they say it is in the sea, then the fish will precede you. Rather, the kingdom is inside of you, and it is outside of you." Confusion swept over Daniel. The traveler gently placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Do not be troubled. The one who knows himself knows all things." Days passed, and Daniel could not shake the traveler's words. He wandered into the fields, lost in thought. As he walked, he recalled the traveler's voice. "The light within a person of light shines on the whole world. If it does not shine, it is dark." Suddenly Daniel understood. He realized the kingdom was not a place but a state of being. He whispered to himself, "When you know yourselves, then you will be known, and you will understand that you are children of the living Father." With this newfound wisdom, Daniel felt peace. He knew he had to live according to this truth. The traveler's final words echoed in his mind, "Become passers-by." Daniel smiled, understanding that life was a journey, and he was just passing through, searching for the light within. The next day, Daniel awoke with a burning desire to understand more. He sought out the traveler once again, finding him sitting by a stream. The traveler greeted him, "Welcome back, seeker. The one who drinks from my mouth will become like me. I myself shall become that person, and the hidden things will be revealed to him." Daniel asked, "But how can I drink from your mouth?" The traveler explained, "Do not be like those who lie upon their roof, for they are dead in spirit though they live in the body. Seek what is alive within you." Daniel thought deeply about these words. The traveler continued, "Blessed is the lion that a human eats, so that the lion becomes human. But cursed is the human whom a lion eats, for the lion becomes human." Daniel was puzzled again. The traveler saw his confusion and said, "This world is a bridge. Pass over it, but do not build your dwelling upon it." Feeling enlightened but still curious, Daniel asked, "What should I do with my life?" The traveler responded, "If you bring forth what is within you, what you have will save you. If you do not bring forth what is within you, what you do not have will destroy you." Daniel felt a deep resolve growing within him. The traveler added, "When the two become one, you will be filled with light. But when you make the two one, you shall become the sons of man." Finally, Daniel asked, "How can I share this wisdom with others?" The traveler replied, "Let your light shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven." With these words, Daniel knew his purpose. He thanked the traveler and set off to live a life of truth, sharing the wisdom he had gained. Thank you for joining this journey into ancient wisdom. If you found this story enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless truths. Your support helps us continue to bring these ancient teachings to light. Stay tuned for more stories that inspire and transform.